Earth-threatening asteroid, and we could see it far enough away, this technique could be used to deflect it.
When viewed from space, our planet Earth appears to be nothing more than a tiny dot amid a huge universe full of far larger celestial bodies. After a brief period of peace, a hazardous solar system is once again heading towards Earth. NASA just detected a massive structure heading towards Earth. Do you guys have any idea as to what the dangerous structure actually is? Asteroids traveling dangerously close to Earth are one of the many risks that our planet and its technology face from space. Now that scientists have revealed that something massive is on its way to our planet, the question is how big this object is and when we can expect it. Will we see another asteroid impact like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs millions of years ago? The effects of the Big Bang, which occurred 13.8 billion years ago, are still being felt throughout the universe. Some of them are not so pleasant, such as the millions of pieces of debris and asteroids hurtling through space. Asteroids are relatively small bodies in space. They are rocky or metallic objects that were left over after the creation of our solar system, which occurred 4.5 billion years ago. In January of 2021, there were about 822,000 known asteroids, and new ones are discovered each and every day. Of course, asteroids whose orbits bring them close to Earth are of particular interest to astronomers. However, whilst astronomers have a strong understanding of large asteroids that are tens of hundreds of miles wide, they do not yet know all the smaller asteroids. Regardless of size, however, these asteroids can cause serious harm to the Earth if they come into contact. Evidence of this can be seen in various parts of the sizes of ancient craters that are scattered throughout our planet. NASA has just issued a warning that a large asteroid the size of a house is on its way to Earth. NASA measured the speed of the asteroids to be a dizzying 21.78 kilometers per second, or 78,408 kilometers per hour, which is around 63 times the speed of sound. Several huge asteroids have recently passed dangerously close to Earth and could have caused a massive disaster if any one of them had hit the planet. One of the most significant new weapons of war in use today is the hypersonic missile, which travels at extremely high speeds and threatens to change the nature of the conflict. One of the most notable of them, the Russian Kh-47M2 Kinsol, or DAGGER hypersonic missile that was used in the Ukraine war, travels at 4.116 kilometers per second, meaning that the enormous asteroid is more than 5 times faster than one of the fastest and most dangerous missiles in our world. We don't know for sure when or where this asteroid will strike the planet, but it isn't the first time an asteroid has launched itself in our direction. NASA estimates that if the asteroid of this size collides with the Earth, it will leave a crater the size of Paris. An asteroid of this size would produce more energy than 1,000 nuclear bombs. Recently, there have been a number of fatal near-Earth asteroids. For example, on Thursday, July 25th of 2019, an asteroid with a diameter of 57 and 130 meters came within only 1/5 of the Moon's distance from our planet if it had struck us. Astronomers refer to asteroids of this size as city killers, so it's understandable why one measuring about 20 meters across appeared in the sky above Chelyabinsk in Russia in February of 2013. It exploded at a height of about 30 kilometers, unleashing a shockwave that damaged over 1,700 buildings and over 1,500 people in hospitals. We're fortunate that catastrophic asteroid collisions like that kind that wiped out the dinosaurs are extremely rare occurrences, but that doesn't mean that they can't happen ever again. What makes this asteroid of July 25th so terrifying is that if it had appeared above Chelyabinsk instead of smashing windows, it would have brought down entire buildings. On June 19, 2004, 3 asteroids and new Earth objects, or NEOs, hit or were heading towards Earth. Exactly 7 years from today, on April 13, 2029, a potentially dangerous asteroid as PAH, or Apophis, might enter the orbit of our geosynchronous satellites. This would only happen 23,000 miles, or 37,000 kilometers from the planet's surface. Do you guys think that this is a great distance? While this may seem like a great distance from our planet, in the grand scheme of things it is only 4.65 million miles. If an asteroid comes within 4.65 million miles and is of the size that is significant, space agencies classify it as potentially hazardous, and asteroid Apophis very well fits that description. The asteroid is 168 feet wide. Consequently, if an asteroid of this size were to strike Earth in the near future, it would likely do significant damage. Although Apophis won't collide with Earth on April 13, 2029, experts think that the close flyby could drastically alter its course and could, inadvertently, set it on a collision course with the planet by 2060 or 2068. Scientists are keeping a close eye on it as a result. On May 5, 2009, NASA, the American Space Agency, classified an asteroid known as 2009 JF1 as potentially dangerous. In fact, it was thought to be the fifth most dangerous near-Earth object based on its size, distance from Earth, and speed of the approach. As stated by the ESA, the asteroid lost its prominence on our risk list and has been demoted to a grouping with other less dangerous but routine asteroids. The asteroid's true diameter is predicted to be around 33 feet or 10 meters, which is around the size of a school bus, which is a rather small object. Even yet, the ESA declared that a potential influence was not very concerning. A large asteroid was discovered in space on March 11th of 2022, just a few hours before colliding with Earth. This was the fifth known asteroid spotted before impact and the first from Europe. According to scientists, there is a 1 in 1,700,000 chance that asteroid 2009 JF1 will hit Earth on May 6th. Fortunately, the asteroid did not impact Earth as it flew by on May 6, 2022. In Iceland and Greenland, evidence from the impact was found indicating a release of energy comparable to a magnitude 4 earthquake. The majority of asteroids that impacted Earth were discovered many years, if not millions of years, after they'd hit the Earth's surface. All 5 asteroids that have been previously detected for impact were found after 2008. This is to demonstrate how far asteroid detection technology has come in recent years. What is the evidence? About 200 asteroidal craters that have been proven to have formed on Earth's surface tell the incredible tale of how cataclysmic collisions with long-gone space objects have profoundly changed our planet and life on it. Astronomers discovered 2022 EB5 was a meter-sized asteroid that slammed into the planet's surface over the Arctic Ocean southwest of the Norwegian island. Larger asteroids similar to the 2022 EB5 are anticipated to strike 10 times annually. The asteroid Jan Mayen entered the atmosphere at a speed of 18 km per second or 11 miles per second, and its impact produced a fireball with a 4 kiloton equivalent that was heard in an infrared sound from Greenland and Norway. How are these asteroids being tracked using technology? The bulk of these asteroids are discovered with the aid of cutting-edge technology and sophisticated tools. In this such case, the NEOWISE project modified and repurposed NASA's Wide-Field Infrared Survey Telescope, the Explorer, to function as a survey telescope searching the sky for near-Earth objects. And that is all for today's video. What are your views on this dangerous object approaching Earth? Do you think it will hit Earth? Let us know down in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, then give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to us here at Space Unearthed. Enable the bell icon to never miss another upload, and we'll see you in the next video.